So the CNC, as you remember from the earlier episodes, cuts everything. And yes, it can cut everything and anything, but does it always make sense to do that kind of cut for whatever application or whatever you're creating? Not necessarily. So one thing that I would think people misunderstand about the CNC, one is how easy it is to use it. And it's not. That's just a misconception. It's not easy to use that CNC. Pressing the button and starting the CNC and watching it cut, it's very easy. But there's a very long process between getting an idea or a set of plans into drafting and pressing that button. So it is extremely intricate. And then the other misconception, in my opinion, is that people that are using CNC or robotics or any type of automation in manufacturing are not real woodworkers or cabinet makers, and I would beg to differ. It takes a lot of work. It takes different skills, but what somebody with true craftsmanship can achieve using CNC and robotics, it's next level. So you have the real craftsman that enjoys working with wood, and I do that. I love sculpting with a hammer and a chisel. But then when I get to sculpt something or engrave something with a CNC, it's just like that next level up of quality and satisfaction when the job is done. Buying used equipment, but for somebody that's so hands-on like we are, it makes financial sense to buy something used, especially when we're buying something that we have never used before. I would rather pay less, tinker with it, and learn the ins and outs of that piece of equipment than buy something new that I would be afraid of touching because it's so expensive. And again, I would have the warranty on it, and I have the chat where there's a possibility of calling somebody to service it in case something goes wrong, because you do have warranty for new equipment. For used equipment, you don't have that option. So if something goes wrong, you're gonna have to fix it. And I learn a lot of stuff by fixing old equipment. So one, I get to use the equipment because every time I buy it, it somewhat works. Then I get to fix it and I learn the equipment in and out, and I saved a lot of money. And if I see that that piece of equipment really should be in our shop, that's when I buy a new one.